In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur a shape in Canva step by step. If you've ever tried adding a blur effect directly to a shape and realized Canva doesn't let you do it the normal way, don't worry. There's a simple workaround that gives you a perfectly blurred shape in just a few minutes. This is great for creating soft backgrounds, spotlight effects, aesthetic overlays, or modern social media graphics. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tricks. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your design in Canva. You can use any template or create a blank canvas. This works for presentations, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or any custom size. Once you're inside your design, go to the left-hand menu and click on Elements. From there, click on Shapes. You'll see a variety of shapes like squares, circles, triangles, and more. Go ahead and pick the shape you want to blur. Click on it, and it will appear on your canvas. Resize it and position it exactly how you want it to look in the final design. You can also change the color of the shape at the top toolbar if needed. Now here's the important part. Canva does not allow you to directly apply the blur effect to basic shapes, so what we need to do is turn this shape into an image first. To do that, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Then click on Download. In the File Type drop-down menu, select PNG. This is very important because PNG gives us high quality and allows transparency. After selecting PNG, make sure you check the box that says Transparent Background. This step is essential, otherwise your shape will download with a white background. Once that's selected, click Download and save the file to your computer. Now that the shape is downloaded as a PNG image, we're going to upload it back into Canva. On the left-hand side, click on Uploads. Then click Upload Files and select the PNG file you just downloaded. After it finishes uploading, click on the image to add it back onto your canvas. Position it exactly where your original shape was. You can delete the original shape now since we won't need it anymore. At this point, your shape is technically an image, and that means we can apply photo effects to it, including blur. Select the uploaded shape image. Then click on Edit Photo in the top toolbar. In the editing panel, look for the blur option. Depending on your Canva version, you may see it directly or inside the Adjust or Effects section. Click on Blur. Once selected, click on the entire image to apply the blur effect evenly. You'll also see a blur intensity slider. Adjust this slider to control how soft or strong you want the blur to be. Increase it for a heavy frosted glass look or lower it slightly for a subtle soft effect. Take your time adjusting it until it looks exactly how you want. And that's it. Your shape is now perfectly blurred. You can layer it behind text, place it over images for a glassmorphism effect, or duplicate it for creative design styles. This trick works with any shape, and you can even combine multiple blurred shapes for more advanced designs. Just remember, the key is downloading the shape as a transparent PNG and re-uploading it so Canva treats it like an image. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials in 2026. I post simple, step-by-step guides to help you design faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.